Then we have a kingdom Protista. Then we have kingdom Fungi. Then we have kingdom Plantae. Please, this is Plantae. And kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. So these last two, groups of the kingdom differentiate between plants and animals. So, but for today, we all know that the prokaryotes are, organisms with cells that lack definite nucleus. But beginning from, the kingdom Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia, they have a lot of them have, definite nucleus that we can, observe in the organism. We know examples of Protista, which is also called Protopista, which is also called Protopista. In some textbooks, you see this Protista as Protopista, and in examinations too, the name Protopista is used to, to refer to organisms belonging to kingdom Protista. Now, the protists include unicellular organisms like amoeba, like paramecium, like chlamydomonas, like bulbous. These organisms, they are mainly unicellular, and some of them look like plants, some of them look like animals. That is, some of them have plant characteristics, while others have animal characteristics. And we have a lot of them. And when we have opportunity, we are going to look at them. Then we have kingdom Fungi, that is a special, group of organisms, including our common mushroom, then our mucor, and others of its kind that are called rhizophores, mold, which are the common names, that we have, among us. This group called fungi, they are special, organisms, because they look like, plants, but they do not have the main feature of the plant. They lack chloroplast. They lack chloroplast in their cells, so they are non-photosynthetic. When we have time to look at that, then the last two kingdoms are kingdom Plantae and Animalia. Now, the phylum Arthropoda. The phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda is one of the phyla. Is one of the phyla under the kingdom Animalia. Under the kingdom Animalia. So this kingdom Animalia is divided into, two main subphyla. The first one are the invertebrates, and the second one are the vertebrates. So we all know that invertebrate refers to animals without backbone, and the vertebrate refers to animals with backbone. Then the phylum Arthropoda comes under the phylum invertebrates, or what we call invertebrata, because they are a group of organisms without backbone. Now, coming to our phylum Arthropoda, as I've informed you, when you want to write, names, classification names, you write the first letter in capital, and then write other, letters of the word in small letters. Now, what organisms belong to phylum Arthropoda? These organisms, or this phylum, includes a lot of living organisms which are mainly without backbones. And the organisms that belong to this group are of very great importance to human existence. In the general analysis, they contribute greatly to human existence, and that's why the learning of them is very, very important. Now, these organisms that are classified into the phylum Arthropoda, they have specific features that is general to all of them, and which is the first major point that I want you to know under this phylum. They have specific features that are general to all of them. So we call that general features of arthropods. General features of arthropods. Now, what we call general features will also be termed general characteristics. We are saying the same thing. General characteristics of arthropods. And there are three main general characteristics. The first one is that organisms belonging to these groups, their body is metamerically segmented. They have body that is metamerically segmented. So they are metamerically segmented. Body. So the body is metamerically segmented. What's the meaning of this? The body is segmented into repeated units. Some of them have 3 units of the body. Some of them have 2 units of the body. Some of them have up to 10, 20 units of the body. But it's peculiar, is general to all of them that they have body segmented into repeating units. That's the meaning of this term, metamerical segmentation. The second general characteristic is that these organisms, they have jointed appendages. In exams, sometimes they bring you organisms that belong to this phylum, and you are expected to mention 2 or 3 general features that is general to all of them. All of them, their body is metamerically segmented. Secondly, all of them, they are jointed appendages. What do we call appendage? All parts of the body that is joined to the main axis of the body. They are called appendages. For example, one member of this phylum is the cockroach, the normal cockroach that we know at home. So we know that there are parts of the body that are joined to the main axis of that organism. For example, I am going to make a brief drawing of one of these organisms so that we can refer to it. Looking a typical cockroach looks like this. A typical cockroach looks like this, with the thorax and the abdomen. This shows the antenna. It is very long and segmented. You have the antenna. You have the second region of the body called the thorax and the abdomen. So we can differentiate between the thorax and the abdomen, perhaps by representing the divisions of the thorax with short